guys, this is Aditya from Mixed Masala. Today in this video we're going to see about NEP 2020. This is a new policy which is regulating around the educational department. So already we had a department that is Ministry of HRD is being renamed into Ministry of Education. A great thing which is happening in our country just now, because education is going to be developed or updated to the global standards. It's a great thing, right? At least our future generation students studying the first standard or second standard right now will get at least these kind of developments so that they could have a great education and develop themselves. So the first thing is in NEP 2020, that is, it has been divided into 5 parts, which is first part will be from pre-KG to standard 2. The second part, which has 3 classes, that is 3rd to 5th. The third part has also 3 classes, that is from 6th to 8th grade. The fourth part has class 9 to 12, and the fifth part is your UG and PG courses. And the MPhil will be removed by 2030 is the announcement given by the Ministry of Education. And the class 10th board exam also will be removed. According to the marks taken by the students will decide whether which stream they have to take, whether the arts or the science or the commerce. So that they have decided to remove the class 10th board exam so that easily the students will have the choice to take which stream they have to take, so that it will be very easy for them, right? So that if they have a dream for doing an MBBS, but by scoring very average marks in their 10th board exam will totally smash their dreams, right? But this option, that is this NEP, new education policy, will definitely give a way for the students to achieve their dreams very easily. And the second thing is a common exam, entrance exam will be conducted for the UG, all kind of UG courses, that is even if you take arts, even if you take engineering, even if you take medicine, you will have a common exam for that. Already we have a common exam for medicine, right? One more great thing is UGC and AICTE to be replaced by a single higher education regulatory. This is a great thing, right? The 2 different educational heads will be coming under a same thing, right? It will be very easy to them to make educational standards a great thing. In this NEP is common standards of learning in public and private schools. This is the perfect thing which has brought by this government, that is public and private schools will be treated in the same standards. It's a best thing, right? Even the fees will come to the normal level, so that even a middle class family or even a poor family could afford education to their children. It's a great policy. After that, we could see that policy, that is board exams will be low stakes and test actual knowledge instead of rote learning. It will be the best thing, that is your knowledge will be tested, not your studies. Okay, then the mother tongue to be a medium of instruction till 5th grade. A great thing, a great applause to the government. Until 5th standard, mother tongue will be the medium of instruction. Every people definitely could learn their mother tongue. They have the right to learn their mother tongue. And one more thing, that is by the government, report cards will be a comprehensive report on skills and capabilities instead of just marks and statements. Hereafter, our report cards just does not have the marks, right? It also have the skills and capabilities of the student. And one more great thing of this NEP is using of technology in education. So already we know many private schools are implementing smart classes, smart education, but it's going to come to the government schools. It's a great thing, right? E-content in religion, language, virtual labs. So such kind of things will happen by 2030. If this NEP comes true, a great thing will happen. A revolutionary thing will happen in our country, that is every single child born in a richer family or born in a poor family or born in a middle class family, every single child, whether it's a woman or a male child, definitely will get a great education, whether in a government school or whether in a private school. I wish this NEP bill has been passed right now, but by 2030 it should come into existence. Happy news that at least now our educational standards are getting higher and higher. I hope you all guys like this video. If you do like this, sub to the channel will be a great thing, and please do like, and share to your friends. This is your Aditya signing off from Mix.